to meet you.
Nice to meet you. What is your name?
Uh, yeah,
Yes?
yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Xu.
Shay. Nice to meet you, Shay. My name is Colleen.
Colin.
Yes,
Okay.
Colleen. And how was your day?
Uh, Today in Taiwan is a little bit cold.
Mm, it's freezing cold.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
about 11 degrees Celsius.
oh yeah. It's very cold. So is it snowing there?
No, no, no. Just in mountain.
Okay.
And tomorrow will be cold than today.
Mhm.
Tomorrow, the coming 4 days is about 8 degrees Celsius.
Oh, so it's inconstant. It's
Yeah, yeah.
sometimes it's raining, or sometimes
Uh,
it's warm,
uh,
sometimes
it cold and rainy.
same here in our country. It's
Uh-huh,
inconstant. So sometimes it's rainy day, sometimes it's sunny day.
uh-huh, uh-huh.
Yeah.
The temperature is good than Taiwan now.
I want to visit Taiwan someday if I have some availability.
Uh-huh.
So
So you never come to Taiwan?
yes, I wanted to go to Taiwan, but maybe this month or next month.
Okay. I hope to see you in Taiwan.
Yes. Okay. Oh, by the way, let me introduce myself. So, again, my name is Colleen, and my hobbies are playing piano, guitar, and also I'm a music teacher. So, aside from teaching English, I teach some piano lessons to my students. So, they are basically 12 years old, 13, and teenagers. Yeah, so just a little bit about me. So before we
Uh-huh.
start, yeah. How about you? I wanted to know a little bit about you.
I'm a chemical engineer.
Hmm,
Yeah.
interesting. We're on chemistry, right?
Yeah, yeah. Chemical engineer. I'm working in a pharmaceutical plant.
Oh,
Yes,
so a friend in a company.
yes, yes.
Mm, okay, good to hear. All right. So so this file, or this is a test file. So basically you will be doing some exercises. So I
Uh,
assume.
so sorry. What's the rule?
Yes, this is a vocabulary exercise.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you choose this file to test your vocabulary.
Where I can find
Yes, vocabulary.
vocabulary
Mhm.
in unit 3 or
It's a test file.
test file. Okay, let me
So
look.
are you done with this or on
Already
what
done?
part?
Yeah, yes, already done. The test
Okay.
after unit 2.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay, so on which part of
My point is 77.
oh, 77. Okay. One moment. So, are you done with this future progressive part?
Sorry, I
Oh,
can hear clearly.
oh,
Sorry.
can you hear me better?
Yes, yes, the voice is okay. The,
Okay.
yeah.
But asking if are you done with this future progressive part of the uh book, or have you
Book.
finished studying future progressive?
And we just, I just finished. I and the teacher is Jenny. I with Jenny has finished the vocabulary test.
Okay. So,
All
and
test, the part one, two, three, four, all done.
all done. So, how about this part, the discussion?
No, we finished. Jenny told me we we just the next time we do the access about unit 3.
Unit 3,
Yeah.
okay. So I assume
She
this
sent me
is
the unit 3. Huh?
okay.
Oh, yeah.
Do you have it now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I have.
So yeah, so please send it to me because I'll be needing this. I have a different copy of the
Okay.
book. I do apologize about this.
Uh-huh. Okay, it's no problem.
Mhm. Thank you.
Unit 3 is organization.
Hmm. Yes, let me check for one of our books here.
Okay.
Unit 3. What is this book again?
Camera B3 out 9.
Oh, did you send it to me?
I sent to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Via Skype or by email?
Okay, let me try.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm really do
Hello.
apologize. Okay. Um, yeah, let me look for the book. So, hello, still there?
Hello. Hello. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
I just look for the email from Jenny.
Okay,
She,
yeah.
she, she sent me the article.
Let me look for the book as well here from her notes because probably she just sent the last lesson that you have. Okay, MLB3. Let me check this one. MLB3. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, let me ask our admin if they can find the book for you, okay?
Okay.
Really sorry. Be sending your Skypes to them
Uh-huh.
so to give us assistance because there's a lot of books here.
Uh-huh.
Maybe we can get a different book so they know it. So I'll be just sending your Skype to them, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so give me a moment to.
Okay. It's all right.
Thank you. I'm sorry again.
So your email is Colin, Action Colin.
Yes, my
Yeah.
name is Actions Colleen. Coolin.
Okay.
Yeah, gonna send
CIO
you.
as actions.
Yes, I'm gonna send you my email via Skype. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, they sent me one. Let me check if it's this one.
Sorry, actions Colin at gmail.com.
Yes, actions.colleen@gmail.com.
At gmail.com. Actions, ACTIONSCOLIN. Oh, it's invalidated.
Oh,
ACTIONSCOOLIN at gmail.com.
yes,
It's invalidated.
it's been edited. Okay, let me send. Did you receive my email? Oh, okay, one moment. Sending you the I'm contacting the admin.
Actions. Oh, okay.
Okay. Oh, it's a different.
Okay, I mail to you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you so much. I do appreciate. Um,
Okay, it's okay.
I'm sorry again. So, one moment. I'm gonna. Okay, open the book. So I'll let you know if I open the book. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Jenny. Oh, I don't have the access. Let me ask for help for the admin. Should
Yeah.
I ask our admin to help us because
Mhm.
I can't find the book.
Okay, it's okay, no problem. And okay, maybe next time
Hmm.
you can send. I can use this unit with you. You can find the last time.
Yes, because
Okay.
I don't have the. But do you want to just do some free talking so that we
Okay.
should
Okay.
not waste the time? Okay.
Okay.
So let me think for a topic. Okay,
Huh?
think for a topic.
Okay.
Um.
Maybe we can talk about the organization.
Oh, organization. So
Yeah.
what's on what types of topics of the organization? So is that a group of people or
Yes.
a skill?
About the company. Okay.
Oh.
I can tell you my company's organization.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, so you can introduce me your company.
Okay. My company my company has a president and four vice president.
Oh, vice
Every
president. Hmm.
Yes, every division has a vice president, and we have four divisions, so we have four vice president, and I'm in the procure department. I'm the procure department manager.
Oh,
Yeah.
so what types of task are you doing
Uh,
with your work?
Actually, I was working in R&D department and transferred to procure department just about 2 months.
Oh, 2 months.
Yes, just about 2 months.
Okay, so
Uh,
and how long, how is your job?
uh, Last year, I'm in R&D for research because
Hmm.
I'm a chemical engineer. So my job is to scale up the process.
Oh, to speed up the process.
Yes, about the manufacturing of API. Do you know what is API?
I heard API,
API active ingredient. API
API, and
active
some sort
pharmaceutical.
of
A is active. APP pharmaceutical.
oh
Active pharmaceutical ingredient.
active pharmaceutical ingredient. So this is mostly
With,
on the
yeah.
health and
The
medicine.
Yes, the medicine, the key, how to say, the key substance of drug.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Key substance of drug. Oh, so it must have been. I think it's hard because. What do you think? You have a course in pharmaceutical. You should have a course in
It's
pharmaceutical.
another field, so maybe you think it's difficult, but it's my job.
Oh,
Yes, we do research the process for manufacturing, for produce pharmaceutical ingredient.
oh, interesting. So mostly your clients are hospitals.
Uh, my job is to produce the API. API, the pharmaceutical plant, the end product is drug, but we just produce the key material of the drug. For example, if you had a headache, you can pick you can take some pills about acetaminophen I can.
Mhm, that's okay.
Okay.
Uh, so if
I
it's
know, and I know if you see the pills for headache, the
yes,
is a ingredient is acetaminophen.
hmm
I just produced the acetaminophen.
Wow.
The PS ingredient, the main ingredient.
The main ingredient for that medicine. Well,
Yeah.
actually, I'm suffering in chronic migraine and I'm drinking melatonin and endorphins.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, and also I'm drinking coffee and it
Mm-hmm.
lessens the pain, but it's still there.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So, you do some medicines like that as well for migraines and sinuses?
Yes, we produce many kind of API like antifungals and anti-cancer drug.
Oh, so basically you are like working in a laboratory.
Yeah, yes, yes. And
Oh.
last year, November, I transferred to procurement department. So I need to buy to to purchase some materials. Those material is to produce API.
Yeah, so I think this kind of job is for people like um they need what do you kind of call it? They are in a safety department because it's medicine and people are taking medicine, so it needs to be
Yeah.
safe, right?
Yes, yes.
So,
Uh, we must very carefully to produce those API because people need those materials to cure their
so
sick. Yeah.
and what happens if what if there's a company that produces a medicine that is not really um, that causes major sickness. Like for example, uh, we have here in the Philippines a
Uh-huh,
vaccine from
uh-huh,
dengue.
uh-huh,
And what happened is there is an initial reaction to the children's. They
uh-huh,
got some sores in their skin, and then later on they died.
uh-huh,
So um, they they put the blame on those people who created that drug.
uh-huh.
So that is, I think, that is a crucial job that you have. You
Yeah.
must have been very good, and you are what you gonna crucial.
Uh-huh. I don't know why it's crucial.
Mhm. Crucial. So it means you scrutinize. I'm gonna type it there.
Okay. Where
Crucial.
what?
In your Skype.
In my Skype.
Yes. Um, because we don't have a book.
Okay.
Crucial. Okay. Yeah, at least we will be learning some words today or vocabulary.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
So, and you can also use the word scrutiny.
Scrutiny.
Scrutiny. So, one moment. So, and then have you been into different country because your job is like dynamic. You can
Okay.
travel a
I
lot,
have been
right?
to Japan. I have been to Japan, Korea, USA, and most of the time is to China. To China.
Hmm. Wow. So you have this job is really bringing you to different countries, different culture.
Uh, eh, this 2 months I went to China about 3 times. Actually, before last year, I just went to USA and Japan.
Wow.
After I transferred to procurement department, I needed to travel a lot than before.
So what do you feel about traveling?
Sorry.
What do you feel about traveling? Because you traveled a lot.
Uh, I, I think it's business, so it's not good. Is not good. I like travel with my family, my
Hmm.
wife and my daughters, uh, because it is job. It's a business travel, so have some pleasure.
Hmm. So you don't have time to enjoy the travel. It's
Yes,
mostly
yes.
business. So I feel you
For
might have been.
example, about many years ago, I
Mhm.
went to USA just 4 days.
Oh, you
One
weren't.
day,
Mhm.
one day is from Taiwan to USA, and just 2 days to meet him, and after 2 days I back to Taiwan. It's
Oh,
only 4 days.
is that tiring to always go out the country?
Yeah, only went to USA just for a meeting, and to Korea also 3 days.
You must have missed your family a lot while you're on travel.
Yeah, yes. Because I think my English is is so poor, so I need to polish my English. So I decided to learn English with actions.
Mhm. Yeah, so because the most effective way to be fluent in English is to
Uh-huh.
maintain a learning attitude, which I found in you, and you have a lot of potential. So all you
Uh-huh.
need to do is to work with that potential and that passion that you have to learn, to be
Okay.
open with the culture.
Okay. Actually, the grammar and speaking
Hmm.
is very difficult for me, and but I can read.
Hmm.
I can read English because my job, based on my job, I need to read some pattern, some paper.
Uh-huh.
All pattern and the paper is English, so I can read, but about speaking, it's difficult for me.
Hmm. Yeah, so actually that is a challenge, but you can be able to speak English by practicing, conversing. And I've heard an English speaker. She is an Indian, so we
Uh-huh.
know their accent, right? But she can be able to speak fluently, and she can be able to speak confidently.
Uh-huh.
Because sometimes she talks to herself in English. It might
Oh,
sound crazy, but don't do it in front of many people.
talk with Indian is hard for me. the,
Yeah.
the pronunciation is very strange.
Have you been to India as well?
Yes, just with my colleague to have a conference call with Indian.
Oh,
Yeah,
and the way they shake their heads, right? Like
yeah.
different.
It's difficult to hear meaning about. Yes, but
Um,
my colleague is very. He can hear very clearly because he went to India very many times. Yeah.
wow, what an experience.
Mhm.
I have to share something as well because I have a co-worker in a
Uh-huh.
company,
Uh-huh.
and she is an Indian as well. And we
Uh-huh.
used to talk a lot of things. Sometimes I do the things that she do, like shaking heads, like
Oh.
it, in a different because they have a different way of shake of conversing. Like they always shake their heads.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, sometimes I copied that without knowing I'm doing those things. Yeah, so since that you told me, can you tell me about your travel in India?
I never travel to India. I just talk with India from conference call.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
I never been to India.
oh. So, how about, do you have any plans of going there or visiting India?
I don't like.
Okay, so and what is your dream country to go to?
I think I like Europe.
Europe. Wow.
Yeah, yeah.
And what place in Europe?
Place. Maybe I think Italy and Germany, German and French, France.
Italy, German, and French. Wow. So, mostly you traveled from Asia,
Yes,
in whole
yes.
Asia, but
Uh,
in other
uh,
continents?
maybe in July where I need go to Germany to attend exhibition about 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 uh, the equipment of reactors of reactors.
Oh,
Yeah.
so it could be another experience for you to
Yes.
go to Germany.
We just just in arrange, but if we can just we just search the equipment. If we can, if there has the equipment that we need,
Hmm.
we must maybe we need to go to the exhibition.
Oh, so basically, if you needed some ingredients or
Yeah, yeah, equipment.
equipment,
Yeah,
so you will be going to different countries to get it
yes.
or to test the product.
Yeah.
Oh, and so how? Mhm.
Because the equipment and some materials is the price is very high, so we need to look before we purchase.
Oh, okay, yeah. You need to test it before you purchase. So
Yeah.
that is really the smart way of getting the product or purchasing
So,
a product.
so every time when we go to another country or other place, it's for business. So we have pressure, so we cannot relax.
Oh,
Yeah,
so most of the time it's tiring. Yet
yeah,
you
yeah.
can be able to travel, but you can't enjoy the travel.
Yes, maybe sometimes yeah,
Oh,
but most of the time is very tension.
very little or let's say a little
A little play.
chances
Yes, change.
to travel or to visit some places in that country.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sad. Have you been to Philippines as well?
Never, not yet.
Oh,
Not
do
yet.
you have plans of, visiting our
Because the
country?
Philippine pharmaceutical industry, I never find find chemicals
Oh,
come
because
from Philippines, come from your country. But
we also
but
get. Mhm.
but India has many pharmaceutical company, very large.
Yes, they have because I think they have some herbal something medicines or they are cultivating some herbal.
Such as Balcons, Rambasi.
Hmm.
Those companies are very large.
Pine
All over.
cones.
Yeah.
Oh,
Biocon, Bicon. Biocon and Rambasi.
Is it a herb? An herb?
They are large pharmaceutical plant company.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, a pharmaceutical company.
Yes.
Wow.
Biocon is very famous. Yeah.
So most of the countries are purchasing the product in India.
Yeah. Yes. India and China. Those two countries are the biggest pharmaceutical ingredient and some materials, some chemical materials.
Oh, so it
Yeah,
it's interesting.
USA, Japan, Korea, and the European all buy all buy chemical ingredients from China and India.
Okay, so they bought chemical ingredients to India. All the countries,
Yeah.
all the countries are purchasing products in China and India.
Yes.
That's just very wide. And India. Okay. All right.
Countries are purchasing.
So you purchase product from India and India can also purchase product in China. So
Yes.
basically like what do you call about this? That they they will be able to trade, what we call trade.
Yes. These two company the price is have have much benefit about price.
Oh, in
Uh,
India?
yeah, India and China, but their document many of their document maybe we need carefully because they have much or many fake.
Oh,
Yes,
that's unsafe.
yes. So we need carefully
Oh, I
to
didn't
check.
know about it.
Yeah,
It
yes.
kind of scares me a lot.
So I need my company's QA
Mm-hmm.
quality assurance department come with me to audit the plant in China or India. India I not yet, but China we always audit China's company.
So you basically run the quality of every product that you have just to
Yeah.
make sure that it is safe for to
Yes. Yes.
people.
Yes.
Good, good. It's
But it's the policy.
mhm.
If we sell our product to USA or to Europe, we need to promise the FDA or USDA that our materials all come from regulatory company. They can comply the policy.
Mhm.
Yes.
So before it reaches the market, there
Mm-hmm.
should be a lot of process before um it's delivered to some stores or
Mm-hmm.
drugstores and hospitals.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, it must have been a long process, right?
Yes. It's a long process. As the longer the process, the higher price.
Oh,
Yeah.
what if what if making a medicine for a rare condition like a rare sickness, rare
Earlier. What? Sorry. Earlier. Oh.
rare sickness like for example not a usual sickness, let's say
Uh-huh.
something
Oh.
like
Uh-huh.
one in
Just skin.
mhm, 1 in a 10% of people is having that kind of sickness? Is it very expensive to have that kind of medicine?
Uh, Nowadays the anti-cancer drug
Hmm.
anti-cancer drug is more expensive.
Oh, anti-cancer?
Yes, anti-cancer.
I didn't know about that. There's a drug for cancer.
Yes, drug for cancer.
Really? I
Yeah, yes.
didn't know about it.
Uh-huh. The drug is very expensive.
Oh,
For, e- for, for example, if somebody has cancer, they need to use use this cancer drug. For example, 1 month take 1 month need about 100,000 NT dollars.
100,000?
100,000 NT dollars is about 3,000 US dollars.
Oh,
3,000 US dollars a
very
month.
expensive.
Yes, very expensive. Yes.
So really, they say health is wealth.
Yes,
So,
yeah. For example, my company has those ingredients.
mhm.
We sell to Europe and the USA. Every gram is about $700,
Wow.
and every gram they can produce many pills. Uh,
American?
every pill, every how to call it drug.
Can you type it there in the
Yes,
chat box?
yes. For example, just one drug, they only contain 5 milligram,
500 grams.
5 milligram.
5 milligrams.
Yes. So 1 gram can produce 20, 200 pills.
200 pills.
One gram can produce 200 because every pill only has 5 milligram.
No. So it must have been expensive and at the same time costly to people who are having those
Yes,
sickness.
yes.
So,
So so many people can afford those high price.
they cannot afford.
Yes, they cannot afford.
It's so sad.
Yeah.
So, working in a pharmaceutical company, so I assume that you take care of your health as well because of what you see, those prices that you have, and also the health of your family,
Mhm.
right?